Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Umair Mukhtar and in this video I'm gonna tell you about loops. Loops cause a section of your code to be repeated a certain number of times. The repetition continues until a condition is satisfied. For example, if you have to print hello world on your computer screen for 20 times, you will simply put it inside a loop that repeats it for 20 times. Three kinds of loops are supported by C++ programming language. In this video, we are gonna learn about the while loop. So let's move on to the code part of the video and see how while loops work.
So we have discussed the concept of loops. Let us now make a program that displays counting up to 20 using while loop. So for that you have to write hashtag include iostream stream using namespace space std int main, and here we have to declare a variable called number and initialize it with value of 1. And after that we have to make while loop. While number is less than 21, cout number and a space enter to move to the next line. And after that we have to write number plus plus. So what we are doing is we are declaring a variable called number and giving it an initial value of 1, and then we are putting it inside a loop that displays the value of number. At the first iteration the value of number will be 1. So this condition which checks if the number is less than 21 will be true, and the value of the number will be printed. And after that the compiler increases the value of number by 1 thanks to these plus plus operator, and this whole process continues as long as the value of number is less than 21. As soon as the value reaches 21, this condition will be false, and that time the compiler will not come here to execute anything. So after that we have to write system pause return return 0. Yeah, so let us check our program if it's working or not. Yes, so as you can see that our program has displayed counting starting from 1 to 20. So it has worked all right. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more programming videos like this. Khuda Hafiz.